Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Satyam Singh Parmar, and today we'll be talking about Apache Kafka interview questions. Let's get started. First question we have is what is Apache Kafka and what is its purpose? Apache Kafka is like a messaging system that helps different applications communicate with each other by sending and receiving messages. It is specifically designed for the real-time data processing. You can think of it as a bus which carries data between two different parts of system, allowing all them to work together. So business and companies use Kafka to analyze data in the real time. So and also to connect different data sources and also manage events. Next question is how is Kafka different from traditional messaging system? So traditional messaging system often having the issues when handling the large amount of data or when anything goes wrong in the system. So Kafka is designed to handle a lot of messages quickly and reliably. Imagine a fast delivery services which never loses any packages, even when the weather gets tough or any other issue comes up. So that is how Kafka works. It can store messages for a long time and lets different applications read them whenever they are ready. What roles do Kafka and consumer play in Kafka system? So in Kafka, a producer is like a writer or a sender. It takes data and sends to the Kafka topic. So Kafka topic you can think of as a folder. And consumer is like a reader or receiver, which reads the data from those topics. So the producer writes the messages and consumer reads the messages. Next question is what is a Kafka topic? A topic is simply a category where messages are stored. So let's say we listen the music where we have our favorite song playlist. So those you can think of like Kafka topics. So where producer sends the messages, it puts them into the specific topic, and the consumer can subscribe to those topics from those topics and to get the messages. And using this command, we can create the topic in the Kafka. Next question we have is how does Kafka ensure data durability and fault tolerance? So Kafka makes sure that data is safe and not lost, even if something goes wrong in the system. So it does this by keeping multiple copies of that same data on different servers. So it has different, you can think of like as a backups. So if one server fails, and that will automatically take over without any issues. And it will ensure that no messages are lost. Next question is what is a Kafka partition? A partition is a partition is like a section on a topic. So that allows Kafka to store and manage data efficiently. So each topic can have several partitions, which means that multiple consumers can read data at the same time. It helps Kafka handle a lot of messages quickly and to allow them scaling as whenever needed. Next question is what role does Zookeeper play in the Kafka? So Zookeeper is like a helper tool for Kafka. It keeps track for all the servers in the Kafka cluster, and it also helps to manage how data is stored, and it also makes sure that system runs smoothly. You can think of Zookeeper as a manager, which ensures everything is organized and functioning correctly. Next question is how can Kafka be secured, or we can say like whatever the messages or the topics events are getting published, those are secure. So to keep data safe in Kafka, we have different security methods. So first one is SSL. So SSL is used to encrypt the data when it is sent, so that there is no one who can read it. And another way is SASL. So SSL ensures that only authorized user can access the system. And the third one is ACL. So ACLs controls who can read or write to the specific topics, ensuring so this ensures like only the right people can access sensitive information. Next question we have is what is Kafka Streams? So Kafka Stream is a tool that allows you to process and analyze data when the data flows through the Kafka system. So it's like having a mini computer that takes messages, processes them, and sends out new messages based on those that processing. So it's perfect for building applications that need to work with the real-time data. What are some common use cases of Kafka? So Kafka can be used in real-time data analytics when real-time data is coming and we want to make quick decisions based on those data. And it can be also used with the data lake for the data integration, bringing the different data together from the multiple data sources into the one place. And also it can be used for aggregating diverse data sources, as I mentioned, and for the event sourcing when we want to keep a record of the changes in the events. And if next thing point is for the handling the bus load. Yeah. So here we have a Kafka diagram. So if you'll see here at the left side, we have the producer, which is basically producing or generating the events or the messages, and it is sending to the different topic. So if you'll see here, this is topic A, where we have different partitions like partition 0 and partition 1. And the same way we have in the different broker, we have a topic A, where again we have the partition 0 and partition 1. So different brokers can have topic, and on the other hand, there is a consumer which is consuming the messages from the topic. So broker one, the replica of the broker one, we have the broker two, which is the replication of the broker one. So yeah, we'll continue this intro series in the next video. Thanks for watching.